Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's gonna be a good day today. And why? Because it's vacation day. Yeah, we're going on vacation today to Venice. Oh man. Babes, how did you sleep last night?
Sleep?
Yeah.
What is that? Can you eat that?
Yeah. What?
Yeah.
What did you hear?
Record.
What?
The alarm.
The alarm. Oh, okay. Hey, Keanu. Keanu. Hey, ini wakker. Sorry, gotta wake you up, you know. Time to go on vacation, boy. Are you excited? Ken is always excited for vacation or to go anywhere. Come, let's get your clothes on, boy. Alright. Look like the gang's all ready. Just gonna have some breakfast. Go.
Pharrell, wil je niet piano doen?
Hey, piano.
A little bit different right now than 20 minutes from now.
Yeah, right. Pharrell, I gotta do your hair. Come, let me do your hair. Hey, relax the camera, you know?
Hey babe,
Hey.
is that a new hairstyle?
Yeah, I think so. What is it?
Huh?
What's there?
I don't know, nothing.
Where did that come from?
I don't know, tree?
Tree? We're ready to take off. No, we just gotta check in first, right?
We gotta go check in by number 7.
That's peace sign. Number 7.
7.
5 and 2.
It's blinking.
5.
2, 7.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
We're in the plane, guys.
We got out tonight.
What?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're in the plane, guys. Our first plane ride as a family together.
Yeah.
Pretty exciting. Keanu's on the left. We have an extra swimsuit for him. Swimsuit.
Yeah. Your life jacket.
For, you know, this is like a plane, swim plane. Hopefully not. So, yeah, we'll see.
We've been there
All right, so we just pulled up by the bus. It wasn't a long flight, but it's bumpy with this little boy here. And now we're waiting if this is the right bus to go where we're going by the hotel. Hey Pharrell, what is that you have on your mouth? Is it the right bus, maybe?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
It says there,
Wow. Oh yeah. So maybe finally we have the right bus.
No.
Huh?
How do you know?
I don't know.
I just got dumped in the car. My phone says I need to push this one.
Oh my god. That's not good. We're just like 15 minutes away from the hotel, but we're hungry and we decided maybe we should go eat. But I thought this was like a restaurant or so, but I think it's like a supermarket, so we're just gonna go there, grab something. Yay! Yay! Let's go check in, boy. I'm tired. I'm deep out, yeah. So, baby, what adventure?
That was nice though. We had a good walk.
Yeah, we didn't fly. I didn't.
Neighborhood. I don't know if I'm screaming or not.
We're here, guys, by our vacation home today. Well, for the next 4 days, actually. Right, Pharrell? Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
If you just pop that door open, boy. That's how it works? Actually, it's key, yeah, Pharrell. Oh. We had a rough day. You know, start. You can hear this little guy here is already been giving us a whole drama. You know, he don't want to sleep at all, but yeah, it's okay. I guess he's maybe hungry because we're gonna go to the restaurant now. So we ready to go and eat, guys? Yes? Nobody answered me?
Sushi ate it.
Oh, your chest is pretty high, bro.
Sushi ate it.
Sushi ate it. He wants to eat sushi. Like, whoa. Wait a minute. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We are at the restaurant, and look at Fro's eating already some breadsticks. Yeah. So nice. Short video.
We gotta eat some
Pizza.
sushi because we're in Italy.
That's like sushi ate
Nee,
it.
is een grapje.
It's a joke, Fro. Of pizza, you know.
Pizza di mano. Even
Pizza.
di pasta.
Pasta. He's going for the pasta.
Met kaas. Met fromage.
Yeah. And then this little guy is all. Yeah, he's knocked out.
Well, everything went so fast. You know, it's in the plane, it's an hour and 20 minutes. So before you know it, you're out with your bags again. And then in the bus, it's like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then before you know it, you're out again. And in the tram, you have to watch, you have no idea where you are. And then before you know it, you're standing somewhere.
Yeah, and like.
And then, I'm happy with this restaurant. It was close by, just a little walk.
Yeah, like
it's nice to
12 minutes walk.
Yeah. Maar dit is ook pasta. Spaghetti pasta.
Wow. So guys, I have pizza with shrimp on top. I know it's not like, you know, pretty or anything, but it's nice. I think you have a bread there. Oh, Pharrell with his pasta, cheese, parmesan cheese, and baby has a calzone with stuff inside, right?
Yeah.
Oh, next time I'll try something like that.
Shall I cut it for you? Of ga je rollen?
Now,
zo?
guys, take smakelijk, yeah. Let's dig in.
Eet smakelijk. Buenos appetito. The pizza is good. The pasta is good. Baby, you want to try some pasta?
Yeah, since my plate is finished, so let's try to take some, right?
No, that's mine.
So,
Yeah, have a bite.
have a bite, right? I'll take a little bit less, you know. So pastas. You can't forget the Parmesan cheese flavor, yeah?
Oh, she's already.
Like this.
Mevrouw, ben jij aan het eten? Een broodje met kaas?
Boom.
So, it was there.
My glass is full, so this is only like my second glass.
Oh yeah? Damn, baby, you're working that, not wine, not Prosecco.
It's my Venice, baby.
What? Say what? In Venice.
Venice.
I just want to thank you guys for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comments down below. Looking forward for the next couple of days. Tomorrow I think we're gonna do Venice, the city, right? Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna be a fun day also too, and we're gonna make it fun because that's what we do. That's what Edward family do. And I just want to say peace out, stay safe, and
say hi to your mom for me.
And say hi to your what? Say hi to your mom. What the heck? No, that was so nice to be like, huh? Say hi to my mom.
Yeah, they can say hi to their mom for me.
Okay, yeah. But please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and share, you know.
With your mom.
Yeah, share with your mom this video. That sounds good, yeah. So Edward family said, peace out.